I'm still gaining. Hala. Thank you, Philippine Island Adventure. It was a blast. Almost gained 280 watch hour live stream. He. Ayan, thank you guys. Ayan, shout out to our new. Sandali guys. I need to post here. I don't know what happening to my Ruby Dog, a good security guard. Yes, Bingals. She is really good. Yeah, there you go. Ayan, that's my Ruby. It's super hot. Oh, it's a cute car. Salamat, Chay. Hindi ka patulog, Chay. Ayan. Mr. Danny Girl. Hello, Mr. Danny Girl. Mr. Danny Girl, shout out to you. Shout out everyone. Hala, ang daming ngayong naka-BG. Ayan, hindi ko kaya mabasa. Guys, I cannot read you. Sorry. But enjoy the journey of my walking with my... Ayan, sandali lang. Ayan, shout out. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you, Chai. Mr. Dagger, that's not possible. Ha ha ha. Right, girl? Right? Please connect everyone and please join. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, host. And stay tuned because I still have 5 last chatter winner at the end of my live stream, and then my live stream will only last 1 hour and 10 minutes. So my live streams will last only 1 hour and 10 minutes. Thank you for joining. But you know what, guys? My screen is really, I don't know. My screen is really like, I could not read it. I don't know why. Is it the flash? Ayan. Thank you guys. I really need to walk faster because good morning. It's really hot right now. Ayan. 1 hour and lots of throwing bags. Hi. Max Hub. Shout out to you. Jacob, you're now like Caps. Jacob, you're now like Caps. Caps is always telling me through the poop in the wall, through the poop in the pants. He will always tell me, like, when he is in my live stream, he will tell me, through that poop in the wall, through that poop in the fence. And now you're telling me, you're really now a brothers in blood. Jacob, you're now really yes, but I see it richly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're really brother in the blood now to Caps. Well, Caps have enjoyed last night too. And he won, right? Caps won last night. So that was amazing. Everybody, I think everyone is winning. So, but some of them win a lot, and some of them is just one, two. But no, I think no one is zero. Everyone won. Sorry, guys. Ala, nasin ko na ni si Spia ang link. Where is si Spia? Ayan, si Spia is planning to come up, guys.